In this video I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your HP DeskJet 4352 all-in-one printer. Let's do the unboxing. So printer comes with the manual. In this box you will see set of two setup ink cartridges and a power cable. Take the printer out. Remove the plastic packaging. To start the setup, first we will remove this blue tape. This goes inside, so once you pull it, it will open all the doors. So you just have to remove it slowly and remove the cardboard, so that is here. Close it. Next step is to connect the printer with the power cable. Go to the back side of the printer. This printer is of series HP DeskJet 4300. Plug in the power cable at the back here. Wait for the printer to start. Now we will install the setup ink cartridges. We get the set of two ink cartridges, HP 68 black and color. Take the ink cartridges out of this packaging. It's important to use the setup ink cartridges, only then printer starts to work. Remove the orange seal from back of the ink cartridge. Remove from both of the ink cartridges. Open the front chamber and pull this door down. The ink chamber will move and come into the middle. Place the color ink cartridge first, that is here. Slide it in, hold the printer and push the ink cartridge inside. You will hear a lock sound. Same with the black ink cartridge. Now close this door. Next is to load the paper. Paper tray is at the rear side, so just go here. To load the paper, slide this tray on the upside. Move it on the top and move it on this side. Load plain paper or letter size paper. If you check on the printer control panel, you will see both the ink cartridges are showing up and printer is about to print the alignment page. Open the lid, remove this plastic from here, place the page facing down on this screen, place the page on the scanner, so it should be facing down like this on that corner. So there is a marking here, and press the color button once. Scanning is done. Now we can remove the paper and we can discard it, or we can keep it for the future. Next step is to do the wireless setup of the printer. That means we can connect it with the smartphone, MacBook or laptop. There are two methods to use. First is using the Wi-Fi setup of the printer, or you can also use the inbuilt Wi-Fi direct setup of the printer. Let's do the both methods. First I am going to do the Wi-Fi setup of the printer. Printer is already in the setup mode. You will see the wireless light is flashing and the icon is flashing. That means it is in the setup mode. Go to your smartphone. Go to the app section and download the HP app. You can use it for Android phone or you can do it for the iPhone. Type in HP You will see this app here. The HP logo is there. Just download and open. To add the printer, click on the plus button on the top. Select the first option, setup and connect a new printer, launch setup. Select HP DeskJet 4300 series. Connect printer to Wi-Fi, yes. Also make sure your smartphone is already connected to the Wi-Fi network. It will display the Wi-Fi network. If that is correct, click next. Printer is connected with the Wi-Fi network. Click next. Press and hold the flashing I button on the printer control panel. I button with the flashing white light. Click continue. Printer connected to Wi-Fi. Continue. For the printer privacy, you can click on the accept all. Right now I'm just going to click on the decline optional data. Select your country. Click continue. If you have a HP account, you can sign in. You can also create the account. You can use the app without account. So right now I'm just going to click on the skip account activation. You can also enable the ink delivery. There is no payment for the first 3 months and then there will be a fees. I'm just going to click on the do not enable ink delivery, skip offer. You can do it later on, or you can use your printer without that. For the updates, you can click on the auto updates or notify when available and click on the save. This is the welcome page, just to check printer is connected. So I'm just going to print it. Print is working and it is connected wirelessly. Click continue. You will see your printer HP DeskJet 4300 series. It displays all the information of your printer. We can start using it for printing and scanning over the Wi-Fi. Now if you don't have home Wi-Fi network, then you can follow the second method, that is using the Wi-Fi direct setup using inbuilt Wi-Fi of the printer. For that you have to go to the printer control panel. You will see the wireless light is flashing and the icon is flashing. First we have to activate the Wi-Fi direct. If you don't see the Wi-Fi direct icon, press the wireless button once. You will see that icon here, that is for Wi-Fi direct. Now we have to print the password of the printer. Press the information button once. That is the printer information report. On this page, look for the Wi-Fi direct icon, and here it will say the Wi-Fi direct name is here. That's the name of the printer's Wi-Fi. Below is the password of the printer. This is different for each printer. To add it in your smartphone, go to the smartphone and open the Wi-Fi settings. In the Wi-Fi, wait for the printer. Scroll down. If you don't see it, just refresh the Wi-Fi. You will see direct B2 HP DeskJet 4300 series. That's our printer's Wi-Fi. Select it. Enter the password as printed on the page. And then join it. Printer is connected. Now go and open the HP Smart. Go to the app section and type in HP. Download the HP app that is here with the blue icon and open it. To add the printer, click on the plus button on the top. Select the second option, add an existing printer, add device. You will see your printer HP DeskJet 4300 series. Click on the add printer. Instantly it will add up the printer, and now we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. So that's the way we can do the complete setup of the printer, and we can connect it with the devices for wireless printing and scanning using the Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi direct setup. Hopefully this will help you to set up your printer quickly. Thanks for watching.